We are going to take a look at Grammar Guide for Google Docs through Turnitin Draft Coach. So you'll open your Google Doc, you will select Extensions, you'll select Turnitin Draft Coach, and then the side panel for Turnitin Draft Coach will open on the right. For this, we're going to go to the card titled Grammar Guide. You're going to select Go to Grammar. In the grammar check section, we'll explain a little bit about what grammar check does. If you select the question, how should I use these checks? You will find more information about when and how you can use them. The grammar checks are unlimited, so you can write your paper, check and run a grammar check. You can then write some more, make edits, and run the check again. To go back to run the grammar check, you're going to select Back to Grammar, and you can select Run Grammar Check. It will scan your paper, and it'll give you an overview that shows how many issues were flagged. Those issues are highlighted. You can select Show Details, and it kind of breaks down those issues into an issue summary. But down below, you'll have even more specific. This is where you want to go to make edits to your paper. Under Issues, you will see what should I do with these results. If you click on that link, it'll even give you more information on how to use the results. In each of these cards, you can click on to access more information. If I select Back to Grammar, it takes me back to this report. Under Issues, it breaks down the issue that was flagged. So if I select, for example, missing capital letter, it will give me a description. It'll tell me what the issue is and where I have the error. I can select Show Examples, and that will kind of give me a correct and incorrect and explain the rules. And then I can go in onto the paper and make the change. Once I make the change, I can return, check on another one. For example, the fragment one. It explains I can address the first issue. I can make a change. And then I can select and address the second one, the second issue. Some of the issues you may not need to change. It may have been a choice. For example, the short sentence. You may choose that that short sentence has a purpose in your writing. So it is your choice. Just because it's flagged doesn't mean you automatically need to change it. It's to inform you. Once you are done, as you continue to edit more, you can run the grammar check again and see if the errors that you wanted to address had been changed. The recommendation is to kind of address one issue at a time, so you can see the information, you can see the examples and understand the rules and why it was flagged. Go to the next one, make those edits, and you can check these errors throughout. That is a brief overview of Grammar Checker.